Hello everybody. In today's video, let's find out how to file income tax return in India online. Filing your income tax return online has never been easier, and we are here to guide you through the entire process step by step. So whether you are a seasoned taxpayer or a first timer, stick around, and by the end of this video you will be confidently filing your ITR from the comfort of your own home. Before we jump into this video, let's quickly understand why filing your income tax return is crucial. Not only does it ensure compliance with the law, but it also plays a significant role in obtaining loans, visas, and even act as a proof of your financial stability. So let's get started. First thing first, open up your internet browser and head over to the official website of the Income Tax Department. You will find the link in the video description below for easy access. Once you are on the website, look for the login option. If you are a new user, we have a video that step-by-step detail on how to register on income tax portal. The link is in the description. For returning users, just enter your user ID, which is your PAN number, and password. After you logged in, click File Now. Select Assessment Year and choose Mode of Filing as Online. Click Start New Filing. If you are an individual, please select Individual. Select ITR form. Click Let's Get Started. Answer all questions. Edit your tax information. Edit other details. Add bank details if not there. Add exemption details if you have any exemptions. Verify income details. Add house details if you have income from house. Add income from other sources if you have any. Add exempt income if you have any. If you have any deductions, enter them. Verify tax liability details. Preview your tax details and click Submit. And your tax has been filed successfully. I hope you have enjoyed our video, and if you liked it, please make sure to subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more informative videos. Until then, thanks for watching. Infonomad TV.